Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Archaeologic. So today we have an Olympiad math question, that is x square into square root x plus 3 minus square root x having power 5 is equal to 33, and we are going to find the value of x. Let's see the solution. Here solution will be, the first of all given part is x square into square root x plus 3 minus square root x having whole power 5 is equal to 33, and from this part, as we know, x square is nothing but square root x having whole power 4. That means x square into square root x will be equal to square root x whole power 5. So we can replace this term by square root x having whole power 5 plus 3 minus square root x whole power 5 is equal to 33. Now assume square root x is equal to u and 3 minus square root x is equal to v. So we get some relation. The first relation is u plus v will be square root x plus 3 minus square root x is equal to, since this value cancel out, we have 3. So u plus v is equal to 3. Suppose this is equation number 1. This is the first relation. And the second relation is, from this part, square root x having power 5 plus 3 minus square root x having power 5 equal to 33, as we supposed u and v, so this value can be written as u power 5 plus v power 5 is equal to 33. Suppose this is equation number 2. Now from equation number 1, we have u plus v is equal to 3, and squaring on both sides, we have u square plus v square plus 2uv is equal to 9, correct? And then this implies u square plus v square is equal to 9 minus 2uv. Suppose this is equation number 3. And similarly, on cubing 1, u plus v equal 3, on cubing there will be u cube plus v cube plus 3uv into u plus v is equal to 3 cube is 27. And then we have u cube plus v cube plus 3uv, and u plus v is nothing but 3, which is equal to 27. Then this implies u cube plus v cube is equal to 27 minus 3 into 3 is 9, that means 9 uv. Suppose this is equation number 4. So we have 4 equations, and now using equation 3 and 4, we have, on multiplying equation 3 with 4, it implies that equation number 3 is this and this is equation number 4. So multiplying 3 with 4, we have u square plus v square into u cube plus v cube is equal to 9 minus 2uv into 27 minus 9uv. And then now multiplying this part, we have u square v cube plus u power 5 plus v cube u square plus v power 5 is equal to 9 into 27 is 243, and then 9 into minus 9 uv is minus 81 uv, and then minus 2uv into 27 is minus 54uv, and minus 2uv into minus 9uv is plus 18uv square. And then simplifying, we have from this part u power 5 and v power 5 is nothing but from equation number 2 you can clearly see u power 5 plus v power 5 is equal to 33. So we replace this value, that means u power 5 plus v power 5 is 33 plus, and from this value and this value taking uv whole square as common, and rest part will be v plus u, which is equal to, here we have 243, and minus 81 uv minus 54 uv is minus 135 uv and plus 18 uv square. Now this value is nothing but 3, and then we have 33 plus 3 uv whole square, and taking this all value to this side we have minus 243 plus 135 uv minus 18 uv square is equal to 0. Now by simplifying we have this value, and then by dividing the terms from this part by 15 and here by 15, so finally we have a value that is minus of 14 minus uv square plus 9 uv is equal to 0, which gives uv whole square minus 9 uv plus 14 is equal to 0. Now assume uv is equal to a, then this whole value will become a square minus 9a plus 14 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. That means we can solve this by factoring a square. Here we can replace this value by minus of 7a minus of 2a plus 14 is equal to 0. So by taking a common we have a minus 7, and then here by taking 2 common, minus 2 common, we have a minus 7 is equal to 0. We have a minus 7 and a minus 2 is equal to 0. That means a minus 7 is equal to 0 and a minus 2 is equal to 0. From here we have a equals 7, and from here we have a equal 2. But a is nothing but uv, that means this implies uv is equal to 7 and uv is equal to 2. Now putting back the value of uv, u was square root of x and v was 3 minus square root of x. So putting these values we have square root of x into 3 minus square root of x is equal to 7, or from here we have square root of x into 3 minus square root of x is equal to 2. From this part we have 3 square root x minus x square is equal to, x is equal to 7, and then 3 square root x is equal to 7. Taking this x to other side we have plus x. Now squaring, we have on squaring we have 9x is equal to 49 plus x square minus 14x, sorry, plus 14x, and then by taking this 9x to other side we have 0 equals x square and then plus 5x plus 49. This is again a quadratic equation, that means x will be equal to minus of 5 plus minus square root of 5 square, that is 25, minus 4 into 1 into 49 divided by 2 into 1. As you can clearly see, 25 minus 4 into 1 into 49 will give negative value, that means square root of negative value will be some complex value, that means this whole value is a not give real solution. And from this part we have square root of x into this multiplying, we have 3 square root x minus x is equal to 2, and then 3 square root x is equal to 2 minus 2 plus x. Now squaring on both sides we have 9x is equal to 4 plus x square plus 4x, and then taking 9x to other side we have 0 equal x square minus 5x plus 4, and then 0 is equal to x square. Now this part can be written as minus 4x minus x plus 4. So from here we have x common and then x minus 4, and from here minus 1 is common, so we have two factors, x minus 4 and x minus 1. That means x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 4. So these are real solution. Now verifying. To verify, first of all, given part was x square root x plus 3 minus square root x whole power 5 was equal to 33. And now putting x equal 1, we have 1 square into square root of 1 plus 3 minus square root of 1 power 5 is equal to 1 plus 2 power 5, that is equal to 1 plus 32, which is nothing but 33. That means 1 satisfy this equation, and when we put 4 we have 4 square into square root of 4 plus 3 minus square root of 4 whole power 5 is equal to 33, which is again correct. That means x equal 1 and 4 both are the solution of this question. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Bye bye.